Rere thukuru citanyitwo kuhingurwo tamu ya keri ya mwaka uyu kwambiriria kiumia giki. Gikundi kia Elimu Bora Working Group kiria kirumbuyagia maundu ma githomo ni giukirire thirikari gikiuga itariria gitumi kia arutwo thukuru cia muthingi na iria cia junior school makorwo makirihio mbeca cia fithi mugaru na watho. Kuringana na uthuthuria uria wikitwo ni gikundi giki wonanitie makiria ma gicunji kia 80 harĩ 100 gia thukuru cia muthingi iria ithurimitwo ikoretwo ikirihia aciari mbeca cia maundu maria magire gukorwo makirugamirirwo ni thirikari.
If you look at these schools that charge higher figures, they are called blue chip schools. The principal, the schools that are posted there, they are in good books with the ministry officials and the TSC. They are protected. These schools, and the more they charge, the more they become darlings of the government.
Nekiongerire kuga arutania mwanene ya mathukuru maya makoretwo makinyitana na maafitha nene ministry-ini ya githomo gwitia aciari mbeca makiria na gutire rithiti aciari maheagwo mariha mbeca ici na uguo itingikinyereka.
Tumejaribu sana tunaenda mpaka kwa sub county directors, lakini ukienda pale unapata our head teachers, sub county directors na county directors ni kama kuna kitu imetengenezwa pale, na hii ni pesa tunalipa na hakuna receipt, hakuna circular from the ministry, na unaambiwa kama utaki kulipa hizi pesa toa mtoto hapa ama mtoto akae nyumbani.
Riu gikundi giki ni kihanite mukana kuri thirikari gikiuga wona undu uyu waga kurumbuyo na ihenya uria kwagiriire ugucungirira ciana nyingi gutiganiria mathomo kuona aciari aingi ni maremereirwo ni kuriha mbeca ici.
Previously we had learners dropping out at class 8 with a KCPE certificate. Right now we have the risk of learners dropping out of school at the age of 13, at the age of 12. What does that learner do?
The government have the obligation to educate the children. We have a very clear constitution in Kenya and a very clear policies which defend our children.
Oho aciari ni moritio makabaga kuria mataririo ria mbeca iria maretio ikuhuthika mbere ya macirutite niguo gwithema kuhuthirwo ria gutagirire ni arugamirirĩa mathukuru na maafitha nene a ministry ya githomo.
Statistics from UNESCO and other agencies monitoring the right to education would tell you that between 2.5 million to 3.5 million are out of children, that is, are out of school as we speak. We need to account for that, and we should not in any way be contributing to pushing more out of the school.